Students, today we are going to see our next chapter, that is Gadge Maharaj. Okay, Gadge Maharaj, Gadge Baba was a modern saint. He lived many years ago, but he is still remembered for the great work he did in thousands of places. Okay, we all know who was Gadge Maharaj and his work. He is well known for his work today also. Okay, as you can see in this picture, he is no he is Gadge Maharaj or Gadge Baba. People used to call him Gadge Baba. What did he look like? Silver hair, brown eyes or fair skin, big, tall and stout body. Okay, he was very much, we can say, he was having silver hair. Okay, brown eyes and fair skin, big and tall and stout body. He wrapped a lungi around the waist and wore a torn but clean shirt. A cloth shoe adorn one foot while other foot was many times bare. Okay, means many times bare. A cloth show adorn वन फुट मीन्स वो उनकी डिस्क्रिप्शन दी हुई है वो दिखने में कैसे थे. ओके, कि वो लंबे थे एंड बड़ी अच्छी बॉडी थी उनकी एंड सिल्वर हेयर थे, ब्राउन आईज थी. ओके, एंड ही वॉज वेयरिंग अ क्लोथ शू, मतलब वो एक कपड़े का शू पहनते थे एंड दूसरा पैर ज़्यादातर खाली होता था उनका. ही ऑलवेज कैरिड अ बाउल एंड a stick. Because of this bowl or a gadge, people started calling him Gadge Baba or Gadge Maharaj. Okay, because he was having a bowl always with him. Okay, and because of that bowl, people used to call him Gadge Baba or Gadge Maharaj. His real name was Debuji Jingarji Dhanorkar. Okay, what was his real name? Debuji Jingarji Dhanorkar. He never stayed long in one place. He slept only on a rough blanket and used only his own arm as pillow. Okay, he was very simple man. He used only ही नेवर स्टेड लॉन्ग इन वन प्लेस मीन्स एक जगह पे वो कभी भी नहीं ज़्यादा देर रुकते थे और हमेशा अपने साथ एक रफ ब्लैंकेट रखते थे और उसी पे सोते थे और अपने ही हाथ को पिलो बना के वो सोते थे. ही रोम्ड फ्रॉम विलेज टू विलेज एंड स्प्रेडिंग हीज मैसेज ऑफ क्लीनिनेस एंड वॉट for what purpose or what was the reason behind it that he was very famous. As we have read this paragraph that he was very simple man and the description is given. So how he was very famous? Okay, what was the reason? The reason was his cleanliness or humanity and the importance of education. He was spreading this message to village. Okay, he was not bothered by हंगर और थ्रस्ट. ओके, उन्हें भूख प्यास की भी चिंता नहीं थी, वो सिर्फ अपना मैसेज हर गांव में पहुंचाना चाहते थे. वॉट ही लाइक्ड वॉज भजन कीर्तन एंड टीचिंग पीपल. और सबसे ज़्यादा उन्हें क्या पसंद था? भजन कीर्तन करना और लोगों को पढ़ाना. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल फ्लोक टू लिसन टू हिज कीर्तन. और उनका कीर्तन सुनने हजारों लोग आते थे. हिज कीर्तन यूज टू बी वेरी लाइवली. Okay, he would not simply give lectures. Okay, he was not giving just lectures like other people are giving. Okay, he was used to entertain people by their kirtan and also giving the message. Okay, message of cleanliness, importance of education and humanity from his kirtans also. He would often put questions to the audience to keep up their interest. Okay, he was often keeping question in front of the audience, means he was asking them means what to do in this situation, so people were showing interest in his kirtan. Then he would show them the how expert they were in their words and actions. For example, how would ask. Okay, means Gadge Maharaj was asking some questions to the people or to the audience who were watching or listening their kirtans. So how would he ask the question? There is one example. How many gods are there? Gadge Maharaj is asking to the audience and one said one. Okay, you worship Khandoba, Masoba, Viroba, and Vittal, and so on. You worship many more, don't you? Okay, people used to say there is only one God, but again they are Gadge Maharaj is having another answer that you are worshipping means आप पूजा तो इतने सारे भगवान ही करते हैं, खंडोबा, मसोबा, विरोबा, विट्ठल. Okay, so one guy said one. So there is only one God, and you are worshipping many gods, means like Khandoba, Mashoba, Viroba, Vitthal, and so on. So people used to say, yes, your actions show that you believe that there are number of gods, and yet you said a little while ago, and that you worship one God. Were you asleep then? Okay, मीन्स आप कहते हो कि भगवान एक ही है, लेकिन फिर इतने सारे गॉड्स को ही आप पूजा करते हैं. तो आपके एक्शंस और आप जो करते हैं और आप जो सोचते हैं उसमें इतना क्यों डिफरेंस है. ओके, यू बिलीव दैट देर आर नंबर ऑफ गॉड्स, लेकिन आप बिलीव करते हैं कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे गॉड्स है, कहते वक्त एक ही कहते हैं. एंड येट यू said a little while ago that you worship one God. Were you asleep then? और आपको नींद कैसे आती है फिर, बोलते कुछ और है सोचते कुछ और है. दिस टाइप गाडगे महाराज यूज टू टॉक विथ पीपल. ओके, सो the audience would be taken by a surprise. Then they would listen more attentively to Baba would say, your offer things to gods in return for his favor, don't you? मीन्स हम जो भगवान को जो कुछ भी हम देते हैं या फिर जो कुछ भी हम उन्हें कहते हैं कि भगवान मुझे पास करा देना, मैं 4 या 5 नारियल 11 नारियल फोड़ूंगा आपके घर पे, मतलब मंदिर में मिठाई चढ़ाऊंगा, राइट? बट वी आर आस्किंग फॉर अ फेवर. ओके, yes we do. Okay, and don't you say, God, my child is ill, please make him well, I will offer you a goat. मीन्स जानवरों की बलि देना, उस जमाने में ये सब कुछ होता था, बट दिस इज नॉट राइट, राइट? यस वी डू. You don't you say that if God lets go 2-legged child, you will offer him in return for 4-legged animals. कि अगर God will offer me 2-legged child, I will return you 4-legged animals. We do. Why can God who created this world would be so cruel? Can he be so greedy? Can he be biberd? मीन्स भगवान ने ये सारी की सारी दुनिया बनाई, सारे एनिमल्स, सारे बच्चे, सारे इंसान बनाए, वो इतना लालची होगा क्या? नहीं ना. ऐसे गाडगे बाबा लोगों से पूछते थे. इतना निर्दयी होगा कि उन्होंने जिनको बनाया उसी की बलि मांगता होगा? नहीं. नो. डू यू थिंक killing and eating one of the God's creature will please him? Will he bless you for that? मीन्स भगवान ने ही जो चीज़ बनाई है, भगवान के बच्चों को ही फिर एनिमल्स भी तो भगवान के बच्चे हैं, राइट? किलिंग देम एंड ईटिंग देम इज गुड. भगवान को खुशी मिलेगी इससे? नहीं. Then the audience would realize how wrong their thinking was. They would promise to be more thoughtful. After the kirtan, people flocked to touch Gadge Baba's feet. He wouldn't allow anyone to do that. He didn't like people touching his feet. Okay, वो किसी को अपना पैर नहीं छूने देते थे. As soon as the kirtan was over, he sped away, leaving the crowds for behind. Develop good qualities. That's all. Okay, he was like that. He was doing like that. There is no point in touching my feet, he said. Baba followed one rule to the end of his life. एक ही रूल उन्होंने हमेशा फॉलो किया. Wherever he went, be it a village, town or small settlement, he asked for sturdy brooms, spades and pans. Then he would sweep and clean the whole area. वो कहीं पे भी जाते थे तो लोगों से बस झाड़ू और साफ करने की चीज़ें, ये सारी चीज़ें मांगते थे और सारा का सारा एरिया साफ करते थे. Soon other people joined him. और उनको देख के ऐसे ही लोग उनसे प्रेरित होके they joined him, but he did not wait for that to happen. He started sweeping and cleaning the place himself. And if any bystander tried to bow to Baba while he was busy in this work, that person would get a smack of the broom on the back. अब बाबा जब साफ सफाई करते थे और उनको कोई पर्सन, उनका कोई भक्त आके उनसे उनके पैर छूना चाहे या उनको डिस्टर्ब करता था, तो उसी झाड़ू से बाबा उस पर्सन की पीठ पे मार देते थे. ओके, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ पर्सन बाबा वॉज. You don't do any of this work yourself, and when somebody else tries to do it, you put yourself in the way. Move aside. See how nice and welcoming this village looks when it is clean. This type बाबा यूज टू से मीन्स आप खुद तो साफ सफाई करते नहीं और दूसरे करते हैं तो उन्हें डिस्टर्ब करने आते हैं, साइड हो जाइए. दिस टाइप बाबा यूज टू से. If you visit a holy place in Maharashtra like Pandharpur or Nashik or Dehu or Alandi, you will see the work Gadge Baba did in these places. He himself worked hard and asked for help and built free boarding places, ghats on the rivers and water spouts. Means ये जो मैंने places के नाम बताए, पंढरपुर, नाशिक, they are very clean and the work has been done from Gadge Maharaj himself. Okay, so he has done very unique things like boarding places, ghats and rivers, water spouts for people. For the poor, helpless and disabled and the needy, he started places that offered food free of cost. Okay, those people who can't earn their bread butter, so Baba used to give them free food. Okay, he built schools, colleges and hostels for children as well. He saw God in the poor and miserable people. Serving these people was his way of serving God. हम भगवान की पूजा करके उनको सर्व करते हैं. This is our way. But Baba's way is to help the poor one, the needy one, and this type he used to serve God. He used to see God in the poor and needy people. Okay, so this was the chapter uh, Gadge Maharaj. You should always take a moral from any story or any chapter. You should help the poor ones. Okay, and you should always keep clean yourself and your place also. So I'm going to send some question answers after this video. Please do complete your homework. Thank you so much.